finally gonna try and capture me?
No, I merely want to talk with you. Aren't you gonna run?
I can't afford to do that. I need to capture you so that I can find Sasuke.
What is it about my brother that makes you care about him so much?
He's also absolutely uncute and whiny ass.
Because he's like a brother to me, and I'm a better brother to him than you ever were.
Naruto. Can I adopt you?
Huh?
It's been years, and all Sasuke ever thinks about is how he could kill me. I mean, he thinks he's got it rough. What about me? I have a shark with his sword fetish as a companion. Does he think about chasing me back home? No, but you'll come after me, right, Naruto-chan?